Welcome to our exploration of the incredible world of animals that glide without wings. While flying usually requires wings, some remarkable animals have developed unique adaptations that allow them to glide through the air effortlessly. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, these animals have mastered the art of gliding, using it for various purposes including escaping predators, finding food and traveling long distances. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind their extraordinary abilities and delve into the fascinating world of nature's gliders. Our journey begins in the stillness of the night, where we encounter the elusive flying squirrel. Don't let the name fool you, these creatures are not true flyers but skilled gliders. The secret to their aerial prowess lies in a thin membrane called the patagium, which stretches from their wrists to their ankles. This remarkable adaptation, resembling a parachute, allows them to transform their bodies into living kites. When a flying squirrel leaps from a tree, it extends its limbs, spreading the patagium taut. This creates a broad surface area, catching the air and generating lift. With incredible agility, they can maneuver through the forest canopy, gliding effortlessly for distances exceeding 150 feet. These nocturnal acrobats utilize their gliding abilities to evade predators, such as owls and snakes, under the cover of darkness. Their silent flight and exceptional maneuverability make them masters of their domain. Our next destination takes us to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, home to the enigmatic Draco lizards, often referred to as flying dragons. These small reptiles possess an extraordinary secret, the ability to glide through the air. Unlike flying squirrels, which rely on a membrane, Draco lizards have evolved a unique skeletal structure that enables their gliding prowess. Their ribs extend outward, supporting flaps of skin on either side of their bodies. When a Draco lizard wishes to glide, it extends these ribs, unfurling the skin flaps like wings. This transformation allows them to become airborne, gliding gracefully from tree to tree. Their glides, although not as extensive as those of flying squirrels, can reach impressive distances of up to 30 feet. This remarkable adaptation serves multiple purposes, aiding them in escaping predators, searching for food, and even courting potential mates. Chapter 3. Gliding Ants, Tiny Acrobats of the Rainforest Floor. Our exploration of gliding animals takes us now to the rainforest floor, where even the smallest of creatures have evolved astonishing adaptations for survival. Among them are the gliding ants, masters of controlled descent. While they may not soar through the air like birds or bats, these tiny insects have developed a remarkable ability to direct their fall with astonishing precision. This skill proves invaluable in their arboreal world, where a misstep could send them plummeting to the dangers below. When a gliding ant senses a fall, it instinctively adjusts its body position, using its limbs and abdomen as rudders to control its descent. This allows them to steer themselves towards the safety of the tree trunk, avoiding the hazards of the forest floor. Their gliding ability is not about covering vast distances, but about precision and survival. It's a testament to the incredible diversity of life in the rainforest and the remarkable adaptations that arise from the constant struggle for survival. Chapter 4. Flying Snakes, Serpents of the Sky. Our journey into the world of gliding animals takes a serpentine turn as we encounter the flying snake, a creature that defies expectations. Found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, these snakes have evolved a remarkable ability to glide through the air, transforming their elongated bodies into living, breathing gliders. Unlike other gliding animals that rely on membranes or flaps of skin, flying snakes achieve lift and maneuverability through a combination of body contortions and aerodynamic mastery. To initiate a glide, a flying snake will launch itself from a branch, often with a powerful leap. Once airborne, it flattens its body, creating a concave surface on its underside. This concave shape, resembling a parachute, helps to trap air and generate lift, allowing the snake to glide gracefully through the air. During its glide, the snake makes a series of S-shaped movements with its body, undulating through the air like a ribbon caught in the wind. These movements are not merely for show, they are precise adjustments that help the snake to control its direction and maintain stability. Chapter 5. Frogs and Fish Take Flight, Gliding Beyond Boundaries. Our exploration of gliding animals concludes with a look at creatures that have taken to the air from seemingly unlikely origins, frogs and fish. These animals demonstrate that the ability to glide has evolved independently across various species, showcasing the boundless creativity of nature. In the rainforests of Southeast Asia, Wallace's flying frog leaps from branch to branch, its large webbed feet acting as parachutes. These remarkable amphibians have evolved expanded webbing between their toes, significantly increasing their surface area. When a Wallace's flying frog leaps, it spreads its toes wide, stretching the webbing taut. This creates a surprisingly effective gliding surface, allowing the frog to drift gracefully from one tree to another, covering distances of up to 50 feet. Meanwhile, thousands of miles away, in the vast expanse of the ocean, another glider takes to the air, the flying fish. These remarkable fish possess elongated pectoral fins that resemble wings, enabling them to escape aquatic predators in a truly spectacular fashion. When threatened, a flying fish will swim towards the surface at high speed, bursting from the water and taking to the air. It spreads its pectoral fins wide, catching the wind and gliding above the surface for distances that can exceed 650 feet. The diversity of gliding animals showcases the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. From mammals to reptiles and even insects and fish, these creatures have developed remarkable ways to navigate their environments without the need for wings. Their stories remind us of the endless possibilities in the natural world, and the power of natural selection to shape life in extraordinary ways. As we've seen, gliding is not just about defying gravity, it's about survival, exploration, and the pursuit of life in all its forms.